Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're exploring the exciting leaks surrounding the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro, a drone that could redefine what we expect from compact aerial technology. DJI is reportedly preparing to introduce professional-grade performance in a drone that weighs less than 249 grams, meaning it won't require registration in many countries. If the rumors are accurate, this device may combine portability, intelligent features, and cinematic capabilities like never before. Whether you're a travel vlogger, filmmaker, or casual drone enthusiast, this compact powerhouse might be your next essential gear. For years, drone users have had to choose between large, feature-rich models that offer long flight times and excellent imaging, but require registration, and smaller, regulation-friendly drones that often compromise on quality. DJI seems to have found a balance with the Mini 5 Pro. Early information suggests this drone is breaking boundaries by combining long battery life, professional imaging, and next-generation features in a small, sub-250G body. That's a huge step forward for creators who work in tight, urban spaces or travel frequently and want gear that's both powerful and easy to carry. One of the standout upgrades is a significant battery improvement, according to leaked FCC filings and inside sources. The DJI Mini 5 Pro could come with a 4,680 mAh battery, holding around 33.5 watt-hours of energy. This is a major leap from the current Mini 4 Pro's 2,690 mAh battery. With this kind of capacity, the Mini 5 Pro could achieve flight times exceeding 50 minutes, and possibly even reach 60 minutes in optimal weather. For users, this means fewer battery swaps, longer flight windows, and more time capturing the perfect shot. Even more impressive, it's expected to support 65W fast charging, allowing it to go from empty to full in under an hour. Let's talk about imaging, which is critical for content creators. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to include a 1-inch CMOS sensor, an upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro smaller sensor. This change dramatically improves the drone's ability to shoot in low light and capture greater detail. Expect sharper images, better color saturation, and smoother dynamic range, qualities that matter for photographers capturing sunrise landscapes or real estate professionals filming indoor walkthroughs. The drone may also support high bitrate codecs and extended color profiles, offering more flexibility in post-production. In short, you could achieve cinematic results from a drone that fits in your backpack. One of the most exciting new features might be the introduction of a 360-degree motorized gimbal. While traditional 3-axis gimbals stabilize pitch, yaw, and roll, they're limited in how far they can rotate. A 360-degree axis enables seamless, continuous rotation, letting you create immersive panoramas and complex shots like infinite orbits and reveal transitions. This opens up a whole new level of creative freedom. Previously, such functionality was reserved for larger drones or DJI's handheld stabilizers. This marks a first for the Mini series. Safety and obstacle avoidance are getting a boost, too. Reports suggest the Mini 5 Pro could be equipped with advanced forward-facing LiDAR or infrared sensors capable of detecting obstacles up to 25 meters away. That's a big improvement over the 10-meter range found on many current drones using ultrasonic tech. Wider detection zones and smarter algorithms could enable automatic rerouting around trees, buildings, or even people. Combine this with improved wind resistance and motor cooling vents, and you've got a drone that performs well in both tight indoor areas and open outdoor environments. Connectivity is also seeing major improvements. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to support the company's new O4 video transmission system, which could enable HD video streaming up to 20 kilometers in open environments. This is a big deal for landscape photographers and rescue teams operating over wide areas. The drone will likely pair with DJI's latest RC2 or RC3 controllers and might also support the new Goggles 3 or Goggles N3. That means near FPV immersion, giving you the experience of being in the pilot's seat, without compromising the simplicity that the Mini series is known for. Voice command capabilities may also be included, allowing you to control functions like start recording or return to home using simple phrases. Portability and ease of use remain strong selling points. DJI is reportedly refining the drone's full-down lock arm design, incorporating twist-lock hinges that make setup faster and more secure. No more struggling with tiny latches in the field. The Mini 5 Pro will likely come with a compact carrying case designed to hold extra batteries, spare propellers, and accessories, making it an all-in-one kit for mobile content creators. From a regulatory perspective, DJI continues to keep the drone's weight under 249 grams. That keeps it within compliance for countries like the United States and members of the European Union, where drones under 250G can often be flown without registration. There's also talk of optional propeller guards to comply with Category 1 drone safety requirements. These guards slightly increase the weight but are crucial for those who plan to fly indoors or around crowds. In terms of launch date, recent insider reports suggest DJI could release the Mini 5 Pro as early as August 2025, moving slightly ahead of earlier September rumors. That timing allows DJI to beat potential changes in US drone regulations and take advantage of the late summer content creation boom. As for pricing, expectations are that the base kit, with drone, controller, and a single battery, will cost around $850. A premium combo package including extra batteries and a carrying case may come in near $1,000. While it's more expensive than typical mini drones, the combination of endurance, imaging quality, safety, and portability may justify the price for serious users. Let's look at some early performance observations. The Mini 5 Pro appears to have excellent takeoff stability and flight control. Even in windy conditions, the drone holds a rock-solid hover and responds instantly to controller inputs. Battery tests show realistic flight times of about 52 minutes in mild conditions, aligning closely with the predicted 50+ minute benchmark. With 65W charging, users can swap batteries and be airborne again in less than 20 minutes. For professionals, that means minimal downtime and maximum productivity. On the imaging front, sample footage and leaked test videos suggest the new 1-inch sensor delivers exceptional detail and accurate colors. Whether shooting in bright daylight or low-light twilight, the footage holds up with minimal noise and realistic dynamic range. The gimbal's continuous rotation creates beautiful cinematic transitions that would previously require complex manual rigs. You can now perform fully stabilized, 360-degree spins with no jitter or post-correction. Obstacle avoidance also seems significantly more refined. Test users flying in tree-lined parks report that the drone could detect branches more than 20 meters ahead and adjust course automatically, even in low-light conditions. That's a big confidence booster for those flying in unfamiliar or tight environments. Transmission performance through the O4 system also impressed in early reports. HD video feed stayed clean out to 10 km in real-world scenarios, with minimal lag, under 200 milliseconds. Connecting with DJI's new RC controllers and Goggles 3 provided an immersive piloting experience, further closing the gap between consumer and professional-grade drones. So what does all this mean? At $850 to $1,000, the DJI Mini 5 Pro lands in the premium compact category. However, with nearly an hour of battery life, a large 1-inch sensor, a groundbreaking 360-degree gimbal, intelligent obstacle avoidance, long-range transmission, and fast charging, all while staying under $249, the value is significant. For filmmakers, travelers, and drone professionals who need a balance of performance, portability, and compliance, the Mini 5 Pro could be the best investment in 2025. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 5 Pro seems poised to redefine what we expect from compact drones. By merging industry-leading features into a travel-friendly form, DJI continues to push the envelope. If the leaks hold true, this drone will offer a new standard for cinematic creators, urban flyers, and everyone in between. Th.